Today D-Day.
Today's D-Day. No skids. No,
An hour of no skids. Will you be able to do an hour of no skids? What's today, mate? It's today D-Day.
Today's D-Day. It's fucking arse twitching, like, no, arse collapsing moment. Took the plugs out, left the fuel lines, fuel pumps off, turned it over for what, 5-10 minutes, on and off on the starter, so she's got oil all the way around. It's now time.
Time for actual start-up.
Yeah. Fuck.
You want to check everything again?
No, it's too die. Fuck it, let's just check everything out. Right. I just want to play it safe and just check. We'll run it for 5-10 seconds then.
Check everything again.
Fucking brutal, mate. Mate, oil's fine. Let's just do that another couple of times.
Just to make sure all the oil's been pulled through the cooler.
Because this has been, well, literally a full engine rebuild phase. From nothing, every nut bolt. And my arse is 9 pounds.
Is that correct?
Well, I've had it running for about an hour on and off. Checked the fluids, oils, just belt and braces over everything. She's come up to temp, no issues. Fingers crossed that it's now time to take her a wee drive. See how that goes. This is where my fucking arse collapses.
No skids.
No skids. No,
An
no
hour
skids.
of no skids. Will you be able to do an hour of no skids?
I'm 90, mate. I'm sitting in my life savings. If this thing goes wrong, just torch it, leave me in it. It's fine. Do not pull no extinguisher cords, just let me burn. Pretty much. Right, cool. So, first fucking disaster. Managed to rip this off.
You're smart, mate.
For some reason, it caught in that.
That's it. Nice and ideal.
This is not fucking good. Not a good start. Aye, so, not even any drift damage, and not even off the ramp. What we've done, 3 metres at that, and we've ripped this off. Basically, this kicked up like that, and the spark caught it, and we just ripped the spark clean off. Bits of carnage.
It's one of those days, eh?
Fucking, if that's my only issue of the day, that'll be fucking happy. Hey, let's get it down track and find out if it's going to behave.
Hey, you've got your bonnet in your hands, Stu.
Yeah, arse twitching moment. I saw a wee bit of smoke coming out from under the bonnet. Fuck! Pulled off quickly. Turns out it was just a heat wrap drying out. The last few bits of it just properly drying out, but fuck, this is brutal.
I'm enjoying it, mate. You might not be. I'm enjoying this.
It's fucking not pleasant, man. My chocolate starfish has gone 10 to the dozen. She just wants to go though. She does not want hard back.
Seems mint now though.
It's cooled down a bit. Well, it's chewing fuel. We've done what, 15 laps at best? 6 litre of fuel it's used. According to the dash, 6 litre of fuel is used. This can get expensive. Right. I'm hoping the dash is just...
we've configured it slightly wrong rather than you've just pumped all that fuel.
Instantly update as opposed to take a bit of time. But, fuel consumption wise, this is not good.
It's V-power as well, eh?
These clips are a good idea at the time. Fuck you. This is not a one-man operation.
Would you like a hand? Should I put the camera down and give you a hand?
Ah, give me a hand, fuck this.
Right, Stu, bonnet's off. What happened this time?
Going fine, it's just held back in power just as I was coming around there, like no actual go. I wasn't sure if I'd popped a boost hose. Just get to check that now. Everything seems mint, so it's time for a wee cheeky code read. Oh, going up the wall. I wasn't even at 4 grand and she was ready to launch. Lovely! But temps are good. Oil pressure's good. So that's...
Oh, quick Stu tooth shot.
Oh, tooth shot. No bother, Ren. Right, I had this before. Literally. And it was wiggle these two flickers. Yeah, let's clear the codes and try again. Come up on the code reader with ignition, cylinder 2 and 6. I'm not sure if it's a broken wire. Moved the codes, moved them, the coil packs about. Seems to be better. Code's not reappeared, so we'll take it for another wee blast and find out. Hopefully, but not too bad so far, so I'll take that.
Yeah, right, let's try and beat this rain, Stu, 'cause it's going to piss down. How was that?
Nerve-wracking. Really good. It was... couldn't ask for any better, to be honest. A couple of wee daft issues thrown up, like ignition, cylinder 2 codes. Not really. A few wee bits and pieces like the fuel pump relay circuit, because I've done away with that altogether. We're running standalone fuel pumps and lift pump. It's thrown a fault, so I might need to give the relay that's part of the DME module a feed, just so it thinks it's actually active. A few wee teething issues, but
successful test.
Yeah, I couldn't resist just a wee brab, but it's like fucking hell. I literally a wee touch. I saw it bounce 7 grand. And I was like, oh, lift off again. Another wee blap. It just seemed to launch you.
Yeah,
I don't know what it looked like from outside, but success.
Yeah, delighted for you. You never went on fire.
Yeah.
Your life savings never went on fire.
No. It was well just torturing me with it, so it's fine. Good test.
Yeah.
A few more nights of this and we'll be laughing. Might even bring it out for FR Legends.
Oh, so people could possibly see this car out at Driftland on the FR Legends Day.
Yeah,
possibly.
I can run 265s because it's no SDC.
Yeah, there's no tyre rules for the FR Legends
Fuck,
Day.
what? I don't even know what tyres are.
265 Astinos you've got on just now.
Yeah.
And it still spun them up when you tried. So yeah, successful test. A couple more days and hopefully she's mint.
Superb. Cheers for watching, guys. Mind, click, share, subscribe.
Perfect. See ya.